Hello, my name is Saifu. Today I will show you how to use the school management system. Generally, this school management system has different features, and I will demonstrate the school system. Then after that, specifically, I will show you how to add students. Already the system has some data, but I will add some student informations like this student. Then there are courses, right? Then on that course I will show you how to add the grade. Then after that I will show you how to generate the transcript and other grade related reports. So first let me show you the simulation of the school. This is the home page, manbuk High School, and this is the current date. The user is administrator. Then there are three login records on the log. There are 5 students, and I will add today another 1 student on some grade. Then there are totally with staff members, teachers, administrators, or department head, users, 20 user. And there are courses, 21 courses, means the subject. For example, let's say grade 10 like biology, mathematics, and blah blah. And there are the GPA grades, which is generated already, and this system has the fee management part and the balance if the student is not yet paid the tuition, right? The term or semester wise fee, like that is the balance. Then when they paid that amount, this balance will be changed to 0. So and here in the canvas side, this is the school, and this is the school year, and this is like quarters, or we can use semester wise. And this part is the school part. This part is the portal. On the home page everyone will see students, teachers, or we can manage this. Then we can post whatever we want to post during that time. And this is the portal note. Actually this note is not that much useful for the whole. This part is the calendar, the main base of the school. We have to create a calendar, and we have to assign each yearly calendar on this calendar setup. And the main and the important part of the school system is a marking period. At the end of the semester, a teacher need to submit the mark of the student. So this system handles that problem. So for example, on this year, on first semester, then the grade will start, class will start from the September, then August. Then we will specify some time. Then teachers will know this time. Within that time, like for example, if between 1 week and 2 weeks, then teacher need to add their student. Unless beyond that, teachers cannot submit or add any mark on the system. This is highly important part of the system. And the other important part is period. The period like half day, full day, and period 1, each period 50 minutes or 45 minutes. We can see it based on the school class period. And here is the grade level. This is for primary school, middle school, and high school. So we can adjust this simply by adding what we need on this text field. The other thing, school information, all the report will generate from taking some parts of this information. So we have to set up this part. Then the other part is like we can copy for another school if we have another branch. And on the configuration we can change this logo, we can change everything here. the name here, and other setups will bring on this part. This is all about this called module. Then student module, the student module here we can view students by clicking here. This is the student information. We can change students ID number. Then we can add student information like this. I will show you how to add students, and we can assign a student in group in different purpose in after school or any type of work assignments. Then reporters and set up student field. We can add another fields on the form, and parent users, we can create parent users, we can assign parent users generally. The other module is user module. Then we can see like this, the users, we can update everything, and we can add another user. This is like staff users, teachers, administrators, and parents also, and this side will be added, and students with parents will be associated with this part. So there is no parent actually, so it is not showing, and other activity will be going through this user module. The other part, the main part, is scheduling module. On scheduling module will assign courses to the students. For example, for this student, these all courses are assigned, right? For example, Amharic, this semester S2, semester 1, biology semester 1, semester 2, like all are assigned the same. If we want to add another courses, this student is grade 10 student, so we can add another course if there is needed to add additional courses. And this is main part of the scheduling. Then the other part is course. As you have seen here, those are the grade levels. On this grade, like grade 10, there are courses like Amharic, biology. Those are the subject courses. Then for this course, we will create a period. This is the class section for first semester. This for the second semester, this class period will be assigned. So finally, the grade part. This is the grade part. A report card. By selecting the important the options, we can generate the report card like this. And we can save this as a PDF file, and we can generate transcripts like this, and we can include needed items here, the total or the grade, the certification. This is customizable certification. Actually, we can update everything, we can change, we can add additional columns here. So let's say we want to generate the 2 students, or for the 3 students, so we can okay, here we didn't select the semester, so let's say semester wise report, if we need semester wise report. So this information is featured from that setup, called setup. So and this will be customizable part, and on the bottom you will find customizable part. On this part we can customize and change, but generally this English for semester 1 he scored 55, semester 2 53, like this. And this is the and grade letters included, but on the report creation we can adjust everything based on our interest, right? Student grade, other even progress reports and other reports will be generated on here. Then here is this the grading scale, the scale we can customize everything here. Then there are attendance modules. We can add attendance module for specific students. For example, if we want to add like this, you must choose at least one period. Period is not you must choose at least one period in one student. Actually, we have to choose, or we can choose the course. By choosing the course, we can assign for example, if it is a Amharic period, then for first semester, but this first semester is actually passed, so we have to adjust that first, then it will be active. That is the main problem. So I will show you this part. This is actually the attendance module, and there are activities, after school activity or other activities. There are disciplinary measures. If students have any fault, any problem, those discipline problem will be recorded on this part. It is a good system for like that. Modules, skipping class, for example, like 20 minutes or half day. Then this student, then the disciplining incident has been referred to an administrator. Then there are forms. Then the other part is the accounting part. Here you can see the accounting module here, and the student bill module. You can adjust for this student fee amount. For example, for semester 1, fee amount, then this date, then comment. Then if there is payment evidence, then we can attach that document. So this is the school system. So let me proceed to the next part, adding one student. Then all teacher will add for that student his subject marks. So I have one document here. I will use Ababa Babel Tensai student. Ababa Babel Tensai add student. Ababa Babel Tensai. Then this part is grade part, grade 10. Then this part is student ID 01, 02, 03. This student is fourth student on this class, so 4. This part 16 is year. So here username will be Baba. If there is another user, then we need to add some other characters, like his father name, like Babel, if there is another student based on this, but there is no student about on this system. Then I added a password for this student, the gender. Then let's say this student is Somali. Then the other, actually, or the red color is we must add, but the rest is optional, right? You can jump it, but this part is important part. this part is important part. And like if his language is Amharic, let's say Amharic, his birth date is will be added on this part. Let's say his birth date is on 2000. Now click on save. This student is added. We can view student information on here about inside. We can update these students. So the other users will be teachers, right? Already I added those teachers, so there are teacher users. Then by their user I will add his mark. But before that, this student needs to enroll the course. Enroll the course is grade 10, then Abeba, then for his class I will add like let me add this S2 is semester 2, then this semester is active, right? But the first semester is already, the time is past. That is no why that session is not appeared on this module, this interface. Then let me add the second course, biology. Let me add the third course, chemistry. This error is the course schedule in the period is overlapping, right? I used full day period for Monday to Friday for all course. That this error is the conflict error, but the real scenario we have to adjust everything based on the real schedule. Chemistry is added. The next course, citizen, Amharic biology, chemistry, citizen. Next, all 12 courses need to be added on that student class. Then English, after English, geography, after geography, history, after history, HP, after HP, ICT. Then I have more course to add, maths and physics. After math, the last subject is physics. So now this student is enrolled on grade 10. So grade 10 has all these courses. So let me open the user here, and here the first teacher are Ragao. I will use the teacher's account, Ragao login. Then Ragao will import final grade for semester 1. For semester 1, actually, as I told you, this semester is now need to update on the school setup. That is the problem. So on school marking period, I am using the second semester, so let me change the first semester grading time, August 8, 2024, September 10, then the second semester, August 17, August, this is the problem, so let me adjust from 9 to June 10. Let me adjust again this 9 to June 2025. Let me log out and log in again. Input grade. On scheduling. Grade 10. History. Full day. This part, so here everything is correct. Okay, students. And is assigned here. Okay, that course. This student I set to August 9, so this is the second semester. This one is second semester, right? Period. Semester 2, August 1924, August 9 today. Let me change to 8. The beginning for semester. Okay. Period. Users, students. Arc. Schedule. For Arca history and schedule. History to this is his period. Full day history. Okay, I need to update on the school marking period again on semester 2. This part, see, this is the main problem. Let me like this, let me beginning and end date to use with marking or upper use quarter 2. So on quarter 2 I need to update this date to like this. Then on the second semester I need to update on this side 8. This is for simulation purpose. You can adjust based on your plan, so now it will restore. Then yeah, our is here. Now input mark for semester 2. He already added the course mark for this above for above. Now let's say above mark on history above is 70, right? This is 70, or above has no any mark. Actually let's use 70. This is 70 for simulation, right? This is not real data. Then check this, use the mean. So if you have 50 students, then you will have this type of boxes to add. So the same, let's add for other teachers. Let's see, Aragao. Log out. So each teacher will have their own account, then they will add like this, but this is semester wise. For the other student, he already added. Now let's say 60 is the student result. The student is subject mark, right? So the other our by mode input grade second semester, let's say 65. And in grammar economics, if there are multiple teachers, then grammar 1 is another teacher. Grammar, this is English teacher. So insert, let's say he scored 75. Then grammar, let's say grammar 1 is another teacher, economics teacher. Input, select the semester, then check, then let's say 80 the student result. Then grammar to grammar half term, we have to half term okay, physics and other half term teacher. This is physics. Input, then select, then if it has this mark, Then another half term we have half term 1, term 1, add and select, let's say 70 is his mark. Half term Medina, another user, Medina inputs, check, let's say 90. Then Misfin, Misfin HP course, then let's say 85 is his mark. Then Nado, another user, another teacher, Nado input for second semester. Then Nado, then Teruna, Terwork, let's say 78. Then Raja Jonas, Raja teacher, so this is the whole part. Then student can view his mark. So Abu is a student, so so the other part is assignment and other activity. Student can take example. His teacher is 4%, if is photo, there is comment, or class rank, total class rank on the bottom. The second quarter actually it is not a full mark, but he can see his mark by this time. But let me show you the other student's account. See Abdul. This student is another student. Second semester. So there is average value. Amharic, his first semester, his second semester. Everything student will get his mark, and students can see his transcript. English, Amharic, first semester, second semester. If there is creator, then we can add the creator. Then his class rank. From 4 student, he is the third one. He can check his all subject lines. So on the school, the admin side, the registrar can generate and update everything. So the other module is the user module, right? This is registrar one. This part is a different module, that is what the user will differentiate based on their limited access. The registrar will add students, will generate certificate like transcript. The department head will assign courses to his department. The accountant will manage the account, right? So for example, accountant will have a limited access on the system on finance related activity module. So the other user type will be registrar. All right, registrar. Okay, let me change his password. Registrar 1 username. As you can see, this user type will see the grade part and the student module. This user can add students, reports on student related and reports on mark related, or based on the school setup. The system will be changed. So this is the whole module of this system, but generally this is a demonstration part. So for further information you can contact me for the future work. Thank you for watching.